morning, students of class 4th. Students, I'm sure all of you are well, are in a cheerful mood, ready for your English class. Students, today I'm going to continue with Unit 12 of your English grammar book, that is Nouns, Gender. So all of you, please take out your English grammar books and turn to page number 46. Please turn to page number 46, Unit 12, Nouns, Gender. Students, I have already explained and written exercise 1 and 2, and today I'll be starting with exercise 3 given on page number 46 of Unit 12, Nouns, Gender. So all of you, please take out your grammar books and turn to page number 46, Unit 12, Nouns, Gender. Now before I start the exercise, students, let's quickly revise what is gender. Gender, students, differentiates between a male and a female. बेटा जेंडर बताता है कि कौन मेल है कौन फीमेल है. And there are 4 kinds of gender. The first one is masculine gender. Students, masculine gender are nouns that refers to all males. जितने भी boys हैं, men हैं, father, grandfather, uncle, male animals, ये सब बेटा किस में आएंगे? Masculine gender. Then the second gender is feminine gender. Nouns that denotes all the females are of feminine gender, like mother, sister, aunt, female animals. They are all of feminine gender. Then students, the third gender is common gender. Students, common gender में includes what? Both males and female. Like teacher. आपके teacher sir भी हैं, ma'am भी हैं. So teacher क्या हो गया? Common gender. Dancer. Dancer can be a boy also and can be a girl also. तो कॉमन जेंडर्स क्या है बेटा? जिसमें मेल फीमेल दोनों होते हैं. एंड रिमेंबर, जो मेनली आपके ऑक्यूपेशंस होते हैं, इंजीनियर्स, डॉक्टर्स, टीचर, ये सब किस में होते हैं बेटा? ये सब कॉमन जेंडर में. एंड कॉमन जेंडर में मेल भी होते हैं बेटा एंड फीमेल भी होते हैं. एंड द फोर्थ टाइप ऑफ जेंडर इज न्यूटर जेंडर. बेटा जितने भी नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स होती हैं वो सब किस में आते हैं? न्यूटर जेंडर. फाइन. So there are 4 types of gender: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. Masculine denotes the male, feminine denotes the female, and common means both for male and female. And the fourth gender is children neuter gender. Neuter gender denotes all the non-living things. Fine students. Now students, today I'll be starting with exercise 3, match the words of opposite gender. Exercise 3, match the words of opposite gender. Now students, on the left side all the masculine genders are there. Fine. On the left side all the masculine gender are there, and on the right side are the feminine gender. Fine. So we need to match the masculine and feminine gender. Beta, left side all masculine genders are there and right side all feminine. But student, you all will not draw lines and match. You will write the number. Fine. And I'll be writing the correct pair in front of each other. बेटा मैं एकदम सामने एकदम करेक्ट पेयर लिखूंगी एंड अकॉर्डिंगली यू कैन गिव numbers. Fine. Students, the first word is stag. First word is stag. Fine. और बेटा stag का feminine gender क्या होगा? Stag का feminine gender जो E है, that is hind. Stag, hind. Stag, hind. Stag is a kind of deer. Fine. And the female of stag is known as hind. So stag, hind. Fine. Please write fast. Stag, hind. And please, after matching this in your notebook, you please write this exercise in the correct pair. Fine. So stag, hind. All of you have done. The stag is the masculine gender and the feminine gender of stag is hind. Stag, hind. Stag is number 1 and hind is at E. So please write the correct pair. You can also write E over here so that you remember that stag's pair is hind. Then students, the second word is wizard. Wizard. One who does the black magic is known as wizard. And beta, wizard का जो pair है that is witch. Witch आप जानते हो ना, हिंदी में जिसको चुड़ैल बोलते हैं, तो that is witch. So the pair of wizard is witch. Wizard also performs black magic and he does not perform good things. He is a bad character. Wizard and witch are imaginary characters. Fine. So you must have heard about the story of the witch on the broom, isn't it? So wizard is the masculine gender and the feminine gender of wizard is witch. Witch beta chudai. Fine. So wizard second and witch is G. So please accordingly mark the pairs. Wizard, witch. Wizard, witch. Then the third one is monk. Student, the third one is monk. Now, what do you mean by monk? I hope all of you must have visited Sarnath. And beta Sarnath में जो आपको ऑरेंज ड्रेस में जो दिखते हैं, है ना, वो सब कौन है? मॉन्क्स, है ना, जो साधु होते हैं उनको, बुद्ध साधु को हम क्या बोलते हैं? मॉन्क. एंड मॉन्क की जो फीमेल लेडीज हु टर्न themselves टू रिलीजन, बेटा वो भी वैसे ही ऑरेंज टाइप के जो ड्रेस पहनते हैं उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? नन्स. फाइन. सो द पेयर ऑफ मॉन्क इज नन. मॉन्क, नन. जे बेटा जे नंबर पे नन है, तो करेक्ट पेयर इज मॉन्क एंड नन. Monk and nun. And you need to learn these pairs because in exam it often comes that write the opposite gender and it can come vice versa also. In case if it comes nuns, you need to write monk. In case if it comes hind, you need to write stag. So beta, you need to learn the pairs. Stag, hind. Wizard, witch. Monk, nun. Please write fast. I hope all of you have written stag, hind. How do you pronounce it as Hind? Hind. Stag, hind, wizard, witch. Wizard, witch, monk, nun. Fine. Now the fourth one. Fox. And the opposite gender of fox is vixen. At K, you will get vixen. Beta fox, male and vixen is the female. Fine. So fox, and the opposite gender of fox is vixen. Fox, vixen. Fine. Stag, hind. Stag, hind. Hind, stag. Hind, stag. बेटा आपको दोनों लर्न करने. Either or can come in the exam. Not necessarily कि masculine होगा. If the masculine gender is given, you need to write the feminine gender. If the feminine gender is given, you need to write the masculine gender. Wizard, witch. Wizard, witch. Witch, wizard, witch, wizard. Then the third one is monk, nun. Nun, monk. Monk, nun. Nun, monk. Then the fourth one is fox, vixen. Vixen, fox. Fox, vixen. Vixen, fox. Done? I hope all of you have done. Now I'll erase and write the fifth one. And students, the fifth one is drone. And the feminine gender of drone is students bee. जो मधुमक्खी होती है उसके मेल को what do you call? Drone. Drone, bee. Bee, drone. Bee is the female and drone is the male. So drone, bee, bee, drone. Drone, bee, bee, drone. Got it? Now, the sixth one is buck. The male deer is known as buck and the female deer is known as doe. The male deer is known as buck and the female deer is known as doe. So buck, doe, doe, buck. B-U-C-K, buck, male deer. D-O-E, doe, female deer. Buck, doe, doe, buck. Buck, doe, doe, buck. Fine. Now the seventh one. Nephew. बेटा सिस्टर का या ब्रदर का लड़का क्या होता है? नेफ्यू. सिस्टर या ब्रदर के लड़के को क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? नेफ्यू. और नेफ्यू का ऑपोजिट जेंडर होता है नीस. नीस कौन होता है? सिस्टर या ब्रदर की डॉटर. Sister or brother's son is nephew and sister or brother's daughter is niece. So N-E-P-H-E-W, nephew, and N-I-E-C-E, niece. So nephew, niece. Nephew, niece. Niece, nephew, nephew, niece. Niece, nephew, nephew, niece. Learn both the ways. Fine. Now the eighth one. Waiter. I hope all of you know who a waiter is. Waiter is a person who serves food in a restaurant. Fine. And the opposite gender of waiter is waitress. Waiter, waitress. A man who serves food in a restaurant is known as waiter, and a woman who serves food in a restaurant is known as waitress. So waiter, waitress. Remember students, like the spelling of tiger. In the spelling of waitress, the R comes first and E goes after the R. So don't get confused कि आपने as it is waiter की spelling लिख के E-double-S लिख दिया. I've seen maximum children committing the mistake. Children what they tend to do is as it is waiter की spelling लिख के E-double-S. That is wrong. बेटा waiter, waitress की spelling में R comes before E. So please keep this in mind. जैसे tigress की spelling होती है, tiger G-E-R होता है and tigress में G-R-E-S-S होता है. Same is the spelling of waitress. But I have seen what children tend to do is कि आप लोग क्या करते हो, as it is you write the spelling of waiter and add E-double-S. That's the wrong spelling. Remember, waitress की spelling में भी बेटा R पहले आता है, R के बाद E आता है. Fine. So waiter, waitress. Now students, again I'll repeat, then I'll erase and then I'll write the name. Drone, B, drone. Buck, do, buck. Buck, do, buck. Then nephew, niece, nephew. Nephew, niece, nephew. Then waiter, waitress, waiter. Waiter, waitress, waiter. Done? Okay. Now the ninth one. Colt. Student, colt. What do you mean by colt? A baby, a male baby horse. बेटा घोड़े का जो मेल बच्चा है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Colt. And a female baby horse is known as filly. So colt and filly. Colt, filly, colt. Colt, filly, colt. Colt, filly, colt. Then the 10th one. Stepfather. I hope all of you know the meaning of stepfather. Someone whose mother marries different person, so that different person becomes the stepfather. ठीक है? And the opposite gender of stepfather is stepmother. You all must have heard the story of Cinderella, who had a stepmother. So, stepfather, stepmother. Stepfather, stepmother. Stepfather, stepmother. Fine? Stepmother, stepfather. Then, 11th word is duke. Duke. And the opposite gender of duke is duchess. Duke, duchess. Duke, duchess. Duke, duchess, duke. Generally, duke is a title given to the male heir of the royal family, especially in foreign countries. And the wife of duke is known as duchess. So, duke, duchess, duke, duchess. Then, the 12th word is widower. Student, widower is a man who has lost his wife. A man who has lost his wife, and the opposite gender of widower is widow. Widow is a woman who has lost her husband. Beta, widower, man who has lost his wife, and widow is a woman who has lost her husband. Fine? So, widower, widow, widower, widow, widower. Fine? Now students, these were matched the columns, but now again I am going to write them, and you please write all these pairs in your notebook so that you can remember them. Fine? Again I will be writing so that easier for you to remember the pairs. Fine? I will make columns and write for you. Masculine and feminine. Please write this in your notebook. The pairs so that you all remember. Stag, hind, wizard, witch. Start writing. Then monk, nun, fox, vixen, drone, bee, buck, doe. Masculine, feminine. The seventh one is nephew, niece, waiter, waitress, colt, filly, stepfather, step mother, duke, duchess, widower, widow. Fine, students. Now let's revise these pairs. These are the pairs. Fine, and you please write these in your notebook so that is easier for you to learn. Stag, hind, stag, hind, stag, hind, hind, stag, stag, hind, hind, stag. Wizard, wizard, witch, witch, wizard, wizard, witch, witch, wizard. Monk, nun, nun, monk, monk, nun, nun, monk. Fox, vixen, vixen, fox, fox, vixen, vixen, fox. Then drone, bee, bee, drone, drone, bee, bee, drone. Buck, doe, doe, buck, buck, doe, doe, buck. Then nephew, niece, niece, nephew, nephew, niece, niece, nephew. Waiter, waitress, waitress, waiter. Colt, filly, filly, colt, colt, filly, filly, colt. Stepfather, stepmother, stepfather, stepmother. Duke, duchess, duchess, duke, duke, duchess, duchess, duke. Widower, widow, widow, widower. Now students, what do you mean by stag? Beta male deer who's got antlers, and the female of stag is known as hind. Stag, hind, hind, stag. बेटा ये सब masculine, they all denote the male, and इस side में बेटा all the feminine, they denote the female. एंड बेटा जो मैस्कुलिन उनके पेयर, जैसे फादर, मदर, ब्रदर, सिस्टर, अंकल एंड पेरेंट, वैसे ही ये मेल है और ये फीमेल. सो यू नीड टू लर्न दीज पेयर्स. सो स्टूडेंट्स, stag, hind. Stag is a male deer who's got antlers and उसकी फीमेल को क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? Hind. Then the second word is wizard. Wizard beta, male who performs black magic, who does not do good activities. In storybooks you must have heard about them. And witch तो सबको पता है, चुड़ैल को witch बोलते हैं. So wizard, witch, witch, wizard. Wizard is a man who performs black magic, and he never does anything good. Fine, you must have heard in the story. So wizard, witch, witch, wizard. Fine. Then the third word is monk. Monk कौन बेटा? जो साधु होते हैं उनको monk बोलते हैं. आपने सारनाथ में बहुत सारे monk देखे हैं ना, तो साधु को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? monk. And साधु होते जो मेल साधु बन जाते, और जो फीमेल्स साधु बन जाते उनको क्या बोलते हैं? नन. ये लोग अपने आप को पूरी तरह से भगवान की पूजा करना, सब करना. तो जो मेल हु बिकम डिवोटीज ऑफ गॉड एंड सर्व ओनली गॉड, वो क्या होते हैं बेटा? मॉन्क, जो साधु है ना. और जो साध्वी होती हैं उनको इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? नन. सो मॉन्क, नन, नन, monk. और बेटा इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि मैस्कुलिन जेंडर ही आएगा, एंड यू नीड टू राइट द फेमिनिन जेंडर. मिला के भी आ सकता है. द क्वेश्चन कैन बी राइट द ऑपोजिट जेंडर. अगर फेमिनिन जेंडर दिया है तो आपको मैस्कुलिन लिखना है. इफ मैस्कुलिन इज गिवन यू नीड टू राइट द फेमिनिन जेंडर. फॉक्स तो सबको पता है बेटा, लोमड़ी. जो फीमेल होती है वो विक्सन, एंड मेल इज नोन एज फॉक्स. फॉक्स, विक्सन, विक्सन, फॉक्स. फॉक्स, vixen, vixen, fox. Then drone. Drone, bee. bee कौन होती है बेटा? मधुमक्खी. जो मेल मधुमक्खी है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? ड्रोन. एंड फीमेल को क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? बी. सो ड्रोन, बी, बी, ड्रोन. ड्रोन, बी, बी, ड्रोन. देन बक. बेटा जो हिरन, हिरन, मेल हिरन बक, एंड फीमेल हिरनी को क्या बोलते हैं? डो. So buck, doe, doe, buck, buck, doe, D-O-E, doe. So B-U-C-K, buck, and D-O-E, doe. Now the seventh one, nephew. Who's a nephew, children? Brother या sister के son को क्या बोलते हैं? Nephew. Brother और sister's son is known as nephew. And जिसको हिंदी में आप भतीजा बोलते हो, है ना, भतीजा भांजा, उसको इंग्लिश में हम क्या बोलते हैं? नेफ्यू. और नीस कौन बेटा? ब्रदर, सिस्टर, डॉटर इज नोन एज नीस. फाइन. जिसको हिंदी में भतीजी या भांजी बोलते हैं. सो नेफ्यू, नीस. एंड प्लीज प्रोनाउंस द वर्ड नीस करेक्टली. Other day in the online classes I heard somebody saying nice. It is not nice, it is niece. N-I-E-C-E. बेटा नाइस की स्पेलिंग तो NIC होती है. द स्पेलिंग ऑफ नीस इज NIECE. एंड यू pronounce the word incorrectly, you write the spelling also incorrect. So remember the spelling of niece is N-I-E-C-E, niece. Nephew, niece, niece, nephew. Nephew, niece, niece, nephew. Then student, the eighth word is waiter. A male person who serves food in a restaurant or a hotel is known as waiter. And the opposite gender of waiter is waitress. Waitress is a female person who serves food in a hotel or a restaurant. So waiter, waitress, waitress, waiter. Then called. A बेबी मेल हॉर्स इज नोन एज कॉल्ट. बेटा घोड़े का मेल जो बच्चा है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? कॉल्ट. एंड फीमेल बेबी हॉर्स इज नोन एज फिली. सो कॉल्ट, फिली, फिली हॉर्स. जो बेटा बड़ा मेल है वो हॉर्स होता है, और जो उसका बेबी मेल हॉर्स है वो क्या होता है? कॉल्ट. वेयरएज जो बड़ी मदर है वो मदर हॉर्स इज नोन एज मेल, एंड द फीमेल बेबी हॉर्स इज नोन एज फिली. सो डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज कि बड़ा वाला जो घोड़ा है वो हॉर्स और घोड़ी मेल, whereas जो बेबी मेल हॉर्स है वो क्या है? कॉट, एंड बेबी फीमेल हॉर्स इज फिली. Then the 10th word is stepfather. Stepfather, stepmother, stepmother, stepfather. Then the 11th word is duke. बेटा duke जैसे king queen होते हैं वैसे ही duke एक टाइटल होता है जो रॉयल फैमिली के मेंबर्स को दिया जाता है. एंड duke की वाइफ इज नोन एज duchess, है ना? duke, duchess, duke, duchess. Then 12th word is widower. Widower is a person who has lost his wife. कोई आदमी जिसकी वाइफ मर जाती बेटा वो widower. And widow is the woman who has lost her husband. कोई लेडी जिसके हस्बैंड की डेथ हो गई उसको क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? widow. So widower, widow. Fine students, please learn and memorize these pairs so that you can easily write the opposite genders. Learn these pairs, students, and please write them in your English notebook also. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a good day.